What's up everybody, I'm No Damage and welcome to my new tutorial, how to mix and master your own music. We're going to be covering all sorts of topics, but most importantly, the things that I've seen most commonly throughout all the production, mixes, and masters that I've done over the years. Before we get started, I think it's really important that you get to know the person that you're getting your knowledge from. And I think the best way to do that is not for me to ramble off a bunch of clients I've worked with, but to show you songs that I've produced, mixed, and mastered over the years at a commercial level. So let's check out a couple of tracks and then we'll jump right into it.
You can't touch brick wall, waterfall. Boy, you think you got it all. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Wind me up, I do my thing. No pieces, 7-Up. Mess with me, I'll mess you up. Peace punch, Captain Crunch. I got something you can't touch. Pieces, 7-Up. Mess with me and I'll mess you up.
Now it's coming for you.
Cocaine coaxes you in, and then when you least expect it, it grabs you.
The dawn of the mummy. Be careful with fire.
And there's a lot more where that came from, but let's get into it.